Hi, I'm Zoe, a third-year student at Ulster University. I've been in your shoes before when applying for student finance, and so I wanted to give you an overview of some of the reasons why your student finance might not have been paid. Student finance may seem like a minefield at the minute, but these hints and tips should help you with any difficulties that you might be experiencing. If this video doesn't provide you with the answer you need, you can contact your campus registry office or the Student Loans and Bursaries office for one-to-one help and advice. So here are some of the reasons why your student finance might not have been paid. Firstly, did you sign and return your declaration form to the student loans company, as your signed declaration needs to be returned before your loan can be paid? Have you received your payment schedule letter from the student finance company? If so, check the date on the letter. The university would expect to hear from the student loans company within 1 week to allow them to confirm your registration, after which your loan will be paid. When you were completing your student finance application, did you state that you would be attending Ulster University? If not, then you need to contact your campus registry office or the Student Loans and Bursaries office with your student number and SSN number so that Ulster University can confirm your registration with the student finance company. Your SSN number will be in your confirmation letter from the student loans company. This number will start with 4 letters that represent your education authority and may look a bit like this. This number only appears on the page that shows the breakdown of tuition fee payments to the university. If you have trouble locating this number, just give your local education authority a call. They can give you your SSN number that you'll need before you contact the campus registry office. Please make sure that you registered for university with the same details that are on your student finance application, as these details need to match in order to confirm your registration. For example, if you completed online enrolment in Irish, but your application for funding was in English, then you will need to contact your campus registry office and provide your SSN number in order for your registration to be confirmed. Registry offices are operating a reduced service, however support is available during office hours and you can contact the team via telephone, email or live chat.